Hello and welcome to Pioneer Plastics. My name is Gary. At Pioneer Plastics, we believe that anything's possible, and that's been our belief since 1982. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what to expect in this factory tour. In today's tour, we will start in the technical department. This department is run by Nick, our technical manager. Nick has a team of industrial designers and mechanical engineers who will assist our clients turn their product concept into reality. We will then move into the factory and meet our factory manager, Jim. Due to the various complexities within our factory, we have developed an in-house manufacturing management system. We will have a look at this system in a bit more detail later too. Our innovative products include ready-made as well as custom products for personal, commercial and industrial use. We hope you enjoy the tour.
Hi, my name is Nick and we are going to start by looking at our technical process of manufacturing a new product. With the use of SolidWorks 3D design software, our team of engineers are able to develop the product exactly according to the customer's specifications. We give the customer the option of rapid prototyping through 3D printing or digital renders of every part before the physical mold manufacturing is started. Once the product design is approved, we are able to manufacture the mold in-house with either one of our half CNC machines or in sheet metal with our experienced team of metal workers. We also have the capability of making any supporting parts such as frames, jigs or inserts in-house to ensure we make a good quality product for the end user. I will now hand over to Jim, our factory manager, to explain to you the next step in our process.
Hi everyone, I'm Jim Sapani. Welcome to Pioneer Plastic Manufacturing. We have the following machines here. We have the rotational shuttle machine, we have 3 Reynard machines, we have the OM machines, we have the FSP machines. We also have our old machines called rock and rolls. We've been in the factory for almost maybe 8 years now. Okay, let's go and have a look at some of our Reynard machines. This is a Reynard RSO20 3-arm machine. Okay, let's go and have a look at some of our other machines. Alright, thank you. Let's go and have a look at one of our other machines, which is a smart machine. Okay, welcome to our trimming and assembly area. Okay, welcome to our preparation area where we do the cleaning and then the packaging before we dispatch the trucks. Hi, welcome to the planning office where we schedule the job production.
Factory waste order is received from sales. It's got customer name and all the information that is needed for production to run. You print it out and make a job card with the plastic issuing material. And once it's ready for production.
Okay, thanks. Now the job card is ready for production and it's going to go to the machine where they print the barcodes. Hi, welcome to one of our scanning stations. The operator is going to show the process, how do you do the scanning. Okay, so you can scan this one. We're going to scan his ID for traceability, and the next step is going to scan his product. That's the products, and then he's going to scan success or reject. And the product is ready for the next station. This is our assembly board where all the jobs are allocated for the operators. Now we are in the Lipson stable, one of the operators in assembly. And then this is the name of the operators. And this is Lipson. These are all the jobs that are scheduled for him. He's now busy with the job number. This one is busy with it at the moment.